Google Pixel XL Teardown and Reassemble.
Warning: you are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you will need nylon spudger, SIM card ejection tool, fine tip curved tweezers, precision knife set, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, multi-purpose heat gun, professional T5 Torx screwdriver, playing cards. Power down your Google Pixel XL smartphone. Eject the Nano-SIM card tray. The 5.5-inch Google Pixel XL AMOLED display assembly is glued on solidly and is a tight fit within the frame. Apply heat to soften the adhesive. Use a precision knife to create enough space to insert a playing card. With the playing card, slice through the sticky adhesive and carefully decouple the Google Pixel XL screen from the phone. The display assembly is still connected to the Google phone, so don't try to remove it entirely just yet. Remove the following two T5 Torx screws securing the bracket that covers the display cable. With the bracket out of the way, detach the cable from the motherboard and extricate the Google Pixel XL display assembly. Remove the following 9 T5 Torx screws. The flexible Google Pixel XL mid-frame is secured by snug, press-fit notches. Use a precision knife and a triangle opening tool to release the clips and separate it from the rear case. Spudge up the Google Pixel XL earpiece speaker. Disconnect the Google Pixel XL battery cable from the motherboard. Extract the interconnect cable. Google provides a pull to remove battery tab, but it does not do its job. Two strips of adhesive secure the HTC-made 3450 mAh Google Pixel XL battery to the phone. With help from the triangle opening tool, we set it free. Out first is an interconnect board with a status LED, ambient light, proximity sensor, and noise-canceling microphone. Disconnect and pry out the 3.5mm headphone jack. Remove the 8-megapixel Google Pixel XL front-facing selfie camera.
Detach the Google Pixel XL power and volume buttons cable and 2 signal antennas from the motherboard. Remove the following 2 T5 Torx screws. Lift the Google Pixel XL motherboard up and disconnect the fingerprint sensor cable. Then remove it from the rear case. Remove the mini board with microphone and the rangefinder that enables the Pixel's laser autofocus. Remove the highly touted 12.3 megapixel Google Pixel XL rear-facing camera. The Google Pixel XL Daughterboard pops out of the rear enclosure with relative ease. It includes the USB Type-C port and the microphone. The next components to surrender are the Google Pixel vibrator, loudspeaker, power and volume buttons ribbon cable, and LED flash. With nearly everything out of the rear case, we turn our attention to the Google Pixel XL imprint back-mounted fingerprint sensor. Secured in place with only light adhesive, it is easily removed.
All the replacement parts and repair tools used in the video are available at www.Fixez.com. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.